From Zero to JLPT N5, this is lesson 57. So today let's talk about this grammar format, nagara, which means to do two things at the same time. So using this grammar format, you can say things like I study Japanese while listening to music, or he plays the guitar while singing, and so on. And this is the grammar format. Today, no conjugation, so it's very simple. Use mas stem and then add nagara. That's it. Mas stem is that, for example, if you use a verb 食べます to eat, drop mas off and the remaining part 食べ that's the mas stem. So use the mas stem and then add nagara. Be careful, mas stem is not dictionary form. Dictionary form of 食べます is 食べる, but we are not using the dictionary form. We will be using mas stem. So 食べ that's the mas stem. Together it means while doing something. So let me show you one example. I take a walk while listening to music. 音楽を聴きながら散歩します。So this part comes first. 音楽を聴きながら。聴き is the mas stem. So add ながら afterwards. Together it means while listening. Then I take a walk. That's 散歩します。So the whole sentence is 音楽を聴きながら散歩します。So now I'd like you to do this exercise. Stop the video and translate the sentences into Japanese. When you are ready, please come back. Now the answers. He washes dishes while watching TV. 彼はテレビを見ながらお皿を洗います。So this part comes first, which is this テレビを見ながら. So the mas stem of to watch is just me, because the mas form is 見ます. So drop mas off, and then the remaining part is me. After that, add nagara. Together it means while watching. Then he washes dishes. お皿を洗います。The whole sentence is 彼はテレビを見ながらお皿を洗います。Second one, he sings while playing the guitar. This part comes first. ギターを弾きながら. The mas stem of to play is 弾き. The mas form is 弾きます. So drop mas off, and the remaining part is 弾き. So after that, add nagara. Together it means while playing. Last one, my father reads the newspaper while drinking coffee every morning. 父は毎朝コーヒーを飲みながら新聞を読みます。So again, this part comes first. コーヒーを飲みながら. The mas stem is 飲み. So after that, add nagara. Together it means while drinking. And then every morning is 毎朝. It's an adverb, so no particle needed. Now I will read the sentence, so please repeat after me. 彼はテレビを見ながらお皿を洗います。 彼はギターを弾きながら歌います。父は毎朝コーヒーを飲みながら新聞を読みます。Very good job. So lastly, I have this homework for you. Translate the sentences into Japanese and put your answers in the comment below. I will check and collect your homework. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask me anytime and I will be very happy to answer your questions. So, みんな今日もありがとう。I will see you again in the next lesson then. みんなまたね。バイバイ。